What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a very long time since I've last uploaded. I just want to say sorry to you guys, but today we're coming in with a new video talking about, is there any new products that are still out there that are good and actually profitable in 2019. So if you guys probably started Amazon in 2018, you've probably seen, a good bunch of products that seem to do well or that were trending, and those were like the Jade Roller, I believe the Angleizer Ruler was one at the beginning of 2018, but there was just all these different products that were either trending and that were profitable, other ones that weren't so profitable, and there's just all these different products that are going through people's heads, and I feel like a lot of times, especially when you're doing product research, you see these type of products, the numbers look very good, and sometimes they can be very deceiving. And I just want to let you guys know that yes, there are still tons and tons of products that are going to be out there and that are going to be coming out in 2019. And you guys really just need to understand that Amazon is never going to be set with the amount of products or good products that are going to be available or products that are going to be profitable for the future or for your business. And I feel like a lot of people have that finite mindset or have that scarcity mindset where they're just like, oh, well, I think that all the good products have already taken up, all the good ones that I've seen, people have already found, people have already launched, there's so many competitors, and they just get overwhelmed with the amount of data, all these different sellers, the competition. And guys, you just need to understand there's no such thing as a perfect product. Some product may look very good on the numbers and stuff, but the profit margins might not be that big, or there may be maybe there's a lot of different types of sellers, so it's harder to differentiate. And there's just all these different factors that can go into one thing, and you guys just need to understand that. And there's always going to be new products that are going to be coming out on the daily basis that you simply just don't know about because the Amazon marketplace is so big, especially if you are in the United States. And you guys need to understand that and keep that in mind, because just stop having the scarcity mindset. There's no set amount of products that are going to be on Amazon. There's no set amount of good products or profitable products that are going to be on Amazon. You just have to keep doing your product research, and I just keep trying to tell you guys that over and over again because it's true. Like it's honestly the most important mindset thing I feel like is, if you're trying to get started with Amazon, that's what you need to understand. And like me myself, I've been doing product research for a while now, and I'm just trying to find new products, and I've found new products, and one of the awesome products that I found was simply by not using the standard types of product research methods that you see on YouTube now, which are, using Jungle Scout, using the web app, going deeper into these different niches by looking at the best sellers or hot new releases. The way I found my product personally was through suppliers. Like my supplier literally contacted me. He was like, hey, we have this hot new product, you should take a look at it. There's a lot of different people or sellers that are buying it, so we were wondering if you were interested in it as well. And actually I had credit with that supplier, like the same supplier that I sent my units back to. I still had credit with them because I returned my units, so they were able to use that credit towards me purchasing a new batch. But with that aside, that is a very powerful product research method. Like, not a lot of sellers talk about this. I've probably heard one or two other sellers talk about it. Is actually asking your suppliers, hey, what products are trending or what products are hot right now? What are sellers buying? And the suppliers know these things because they're the person that they're the people that the sellers are contacting. So you just have to ask them and come at it, as a business standpoint. Be like, hey, I was wondering if there's any hot new products or trending products that seem to be doing really well on Amazon, or have had a lot of sellers come purchase. And you just gotta come at it at that angle, because a lot of these sellers are not doing these type of product research methods. And literally, my supplier just told me one time, it was like, hey, this product is doing really hot right now, we were wondering if you're interested in it. I literally took that product, the main keywords, put it into Amazon, and lo and behold, the product was doing insane. Now, of course, it was in Q4 when the supplier told me this. However, I did my research. I looked at the data, and I also saw that this product still was doing well. in all the other quarters. So, and also you have to understand that this product too, it was very light. Like, if you guys are getting into Amazon, you want to stick to very light products. Like, don't go for products that are anywhere over a pound. So I'd go for things that are going to be that aren't going to cost you a lot of money when it comes to shipping. So you just got to really balance it out. So let's say, I don't know, the product maybe it costs a little bit more to manufacture, however it doesn't weigh that much, or maybe it weighs a little bit more but it doesn't cost that much to manufacture. You just got to weigh it out and basically just balance your budget. But yeah, you do not want to have products that are, you know, anywhere from over a pound, because that's just going to screw up your profit margins, and that's something that you don't want to deal with, because your shipping fees, your air shipping fees, DDP, are going to cost more than your product cost. So we don't want that. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that yes, there are tons and tons of different products out there that are coming in and that already exist on the Amazon marketplace. You guys just need to look for them. Like, there's just so many different product research methods, and don't use the standard ways to look up these products. Don't just be using the web app or just the hot new releases. You got to go deeper in the niches. Use different keyword tools. Use immersion words. Use I don't know. Use some other ones, some other tools, viral launch. You just broaden broaden your I guess tools, or broaden your mind when it comes to what you should use for product research, and your mindset when you're doing product research. There's no such thing as, oh, there's no products left. Like, there's always, if you've noticed, like within these past couple of years, like every single year, there's always this, at least like one product that everybody knows about that's doing really well. And that doesn't always mean that you should start it, because it might be a trending product, or a product that that is something that's not going to really last long. It was just doing well for that part of the year, or it's not really something that people need, quote unquote, so you shouldn't really get into it. But yeah, you just got to keep that in mind, guys. I just want to create this video just to let you guys know, if you're trying to jump on the Amazon in 2019, like, there is so much opportunity out there, guys. Just don't let these YouTubers or other gurus out there just be like, hey, there's no other good products left. Like, I don't know if you've heard that anywhere, but it's not true, like, literally. And I've seen this so many times in like Facebook groups. Like, there'll be people that come on there and be like, I'm done, you know, Amazon's taking all my money, there's no good products out there, I've been doing research for days. Like, literally, if you cannot find a product, like, if you don't trust yourself to do product research, so you know, maybe you're a complete noob, or you're just now getting into it, like, pay someone to do product research for you. Like, that's how I've done that in the past, and they can find good products. Just go on Fiverr, go on Jungle Market. You can find people on there that have really good reviews, and actually see if they've found really good products for other people in the past. So there's people out there that are qualified to do that. They'll do all that research for you. I know it's time consuming and stuff. Especially if there's any of you guys out there that are, whether you're in school full-time, or, you know, you have a full-time job, or you simply just don't have time to do the product research, pay someone to do that for you. It's not that hard, guys. You just got to do your research when it comes to people that are qualified to do it. So yeah, guys, that's all I really wanted to discuss in this video. Hopefully you got some value out of it. I'm going to be starting to try and jump up more consistently on these videos. Maybe not daily, but maybe every other day. I just want to keep you guys up to date with some new 2019 content. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, and if you guys did not know, I do have Amazon FBA tutorials and step-by-step guides for beginners down in the description. And yeah, let me know in the comment section on what you guys want to see next. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.